guys, this is hagel. It's falling. I can make a snowman out of it. Can I? Look, it's falling. I don't know if the camera catches, but it's falling everywhere. It's like snow falling, but it's hagel. Hi guys, we reached to Amsterdam. Me and Michelle are going to Snow Patrol concert. This is my first concert in Holland, yes, but in Aruba they have concerts too, but not as big as in other countries, you can imagine, because we are an island. So we are currently walking to go to a restaurant, vegan restaurant, so we will check in when we reach there. So yes, this is the Jamaican plate and this is the lady plate. Looks good. Guys, come and check this place out when you're in Amsterdam. It's very worth it. It's in a little street, so yeah, Google it. Guys, we're going in. I'm so excited, so excited.
Thank you so much. Promise me worth the trouble. I've been breathing smoke and rubble. You should understand. Like it's all okay. Let's get to the talking portion of the gig later, and we'll just play some fucking songs. Don't give in. She said it's so easy to give up, but she got on the sword. Don't say that you want it forever. I know. Tell me that you love me. It's not a fly. Tell me We're gonna play a song. Thank you. We're gonna play a quiet song, and then we'll play a loud song. And thank you. Again. That's it. So, this is called What If This Is All the Love You Ever Get? What if it hurts like hell? Then it'll hurt like hell. But come on over here. I'm in the ruins too. I know the wreckage so well. Come on over here. Whoa, whoa. What if this is all the love you ever get? Whoa, whoa. You're not worth so